Hello students, welcome back with the video of grammar. In this video we will discuss about noun. So we know that nouns are the naming words. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing or animal. Okay, noun is the name of any person, any place, anything or animal. So that's why it is known as naming words. Now how many kinds of nouns are there? We will discuss that. Mainly nouns are of these many kinds: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. These are the types of nouns. We will discuss these nouns one by one. Proper noun. What is proper noun? A proper noun is a certain person, place or thing. Means we have already told that noun is a naming verb. Proper noun means a proper name of any person, any place or any thing or any animal is known as proper noun. Each definition means each noun. We can get the idea of each noun by its name only. So when I say proper noun, means any proper noun name of anything, any person, any place is known as proper noun. Now proper nouns are used to name a specific person, place or thing. Okay, we will have a particular name. The important part is proper noun always starts with the capital letter. So next time don't make this mistake. We should always begin a proper noun, a name. A proper name should always start with a capital letter. Next, the next type is common noun. What is common noun? Common nouns are used to name a general type of person, place or thing. Means those ideas, those things, place which is common. Means when we hear those names, we can get an idea of that thing. Suppose if I am saying boy, means boy is a common phenomena. When I say boy, it may refer to any boy. That is common noun. Means that is not any particular boy. Boy means any boy it can be. Girl means it can be any girl. If I say teacher, teacher means person who is teaching. It can be any teacher. So these nouns are common. See, these are the few examples of common noun: cat, man, furniture, boy, house, flower, fruit, animals. Okay, now come to the collective noun. As the word suggests, it denotes collection. Okay, means collection or group. That is collective noun, means it is collection of something. A collective noun is used to describe a group of people or animals or a collection of things. Okay, these are known as collective noun. Example, a gang of thieves. Means gang is a group, name of a group. A murder of crows, a fleet of ships. These are collective nouns. What is the next type? See, these are the few more examples of collective nouns. A gaggle of geese, a swarm of bees, an army of ants, a choir of singers, a giggle of girls, a class of students. Okay, many more, many collective nouns are there. Try to find by yourself as many as collective nouns you can find. Now what is the next type? Next type is abstract noun. Again, the name suggests something which is abstract means which is not real. Now when a thing is not real, we will not be able to see it, we will not be able to touch it. We can only feel it. The things which are not real, which are abstract, we can only feel those things. We can't see it, we can't touch it. So, an abstract noun is a thing that you cannot see, touch or place in a box. It's an idea, a quality or a state of being. Like happiness, joy, luck, time, calm, wisdom. All these are abstract things. These things we can't see. The word friendship, childhood, wisdom, these are such words which we can feel. It is a state of being. We can't touch it, we can't see it. See, these are few abstract nouns. Bravery, favorite, childhood, anger, friendship. You can see all these are a state of being. This is a state. These things are just within us. We can feel it, but we cannot touch it. And the next noun comes the material noun. Again, what the name suggests you? It suggests that it is something material, substance. So material noun is that which refers to a material or substance from which things are made. Okay, material nouns are those nouns from which we can make anything. Like here examples are given: glass, wheat, gold, coal. Means these are those materials from which we can make other things. That is known as material noun. A material noun is a substance, a material or an ingredient we can see and touch, which is used for making things. Example: gold, coal, wheat, rubber, etc. Material noun usually is uncountable noun. Okay, these are usually uncountable noun. Example: this window is made of glass. Material noun become a common noun if there is an article before it. Example: the glass, or the noun is in the plural. Example: glasses. Okay, so don't get confused with material noun or common noun. Material nouns are those things which will make anything. Okay, and if there is an article, then it will become common noun. These are few more examples of material noun: wood, cardboard, bricks, paper, weather, plastic. Now I hope the noun and the types of noun you have got an idea. Please follow the videos. You will get more video on noun. I will soon give the video on singular, plural, gender. Okay, so please stay watching. Take care all of you. Stay safe. Thank you.